there's a gap, a big one, between what businesses want to do and what they're actually ready to do. And that gap tends to show up at the worst possible time. You want to buy a company, but you don't have the asset data to price it, transfer services, or merge teams. You want to shift your supply chain, but without full visibility or control over contracts and service levels, it quickly falls apart. You want to roll out AI to boost customer experience or automate decisions, but the workflows, data, and the service layers just aren't there. These problems aren't random. They point to something deeper. So what's actually going on? There's a disconnect between big picture plans and the operational systems meant to support them. Usually, it comes back to service management, the part of the business that keeps things stable, supported, and running day to day. But here's the thing, service management is almost never part of the strategic conversation. It gets looped in late or treated just like another tool. And that slows everything down. We use a simple framework to show what's really happening. It breaks things down into 5 layers: corporate objectives, business strategies, business initiatives, IT initiatives, and critical service management capabilities. Let's zoom into the business strategies, where you'll see 4 key buckets: revenue, cost, customers, and risk. Pretty much every business decision fits into one of those. Under that, we see the business initiatives, actual projects designed to move those strategies forward. Then key initiatives start to show up with supporting platforms and systems. But it's the last column that really matters. That's the bridge, because without strong service management capabilities, things like stability, performance, flexibility, that bridge between strategy and execution falls apart. That's when the gaps show up. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine the strategy is to grow revenue by acquiring a logistics company in Brazil, and now we are in the post-acquisition phase where integration, information security, service transition, and team alignments all come into play. This is where it gets complicated. Integrating systems, aligning teams, securing data, and transitioning services without disrupting business operations. IT leads with system integration, user onboarding, and scaling the infrastructure to support the new business footprint. But here's the snag. The whole thing depends on asset management. If the asset data is messy, outdated, or missing, everything slows down. You can't complete the integration, you can't secure operations, and you can't ensure service continuity. The strategy is fine. The initiatives make sense, but that one missing piece, asset management, breaks the chain. That's the gap. So what do? Start by getting visibility. Benchmark your service management capabilities against your business initiative. This isn't a one-off health check. It's an AI-led data-driven assessment that gives you a brutally clear picture of where you stand. You'll see what's working and what's holding you back. From asset management to automation to incident response, it maps your operational maturity against what the business actually needs. Now you're no longer guessing. You got a roadmap built on evidence, not theory, not best practice fluff. A clear, targeted plan shaped by your goals, grounded in the reality of your environment and sequenced to build capability where it counts. Then comes execution. This is where it all comes together. Execution isn't about ticking boxes, it's about precision. Every action must be grounded in the AI-led analysis from the benchmarking phase. That benchmark isn't just a snapshot. It's a live, data-powered view of where your service management capabilities stand, what's dragging you down, and what needs to move. Each action ties directly to a business goal. Every improvement is measurable. Every change has an owner. This isn't guesswork. It's execution powered by intelligence. And it doesn't stop. Every 6 months, the benchmark is refreshed. AI highlights new friction points. Scorecards shift. priorities realign. It's a living system designed to move with the business because business priorities don't wait. Markets move, risks emerge, customers expect more. You can't fix it once and walk away. Execution has to evolve continuously with data steering every step. That's how you close the gap and keep it closed. So when the business moves, operations are already in motion.